family, and the topic we have today, the theories of the family and the social change. And we have basically two different contents under this heading. The 3.1 heading is perspective on the role of the family. As we already have an idea that in previous lectures we discussed that there were two approaches of the sociology. The first one was consensus approach and the other one was conflict approach. So we discussed functionalism in the consensus approach, and two other conflicts approaches were feminism and the Marxism. So before moving ahead, we should know there are some different types of the family, so that we can get better idea that what are these family, and it will be very easy for us to move ahead. So number one family, which is known as nuclear family. A nuclear family is a traditional family, basically defined as consisting of a mother, father in first time marriage and their children. The next term we have is single parent families, a parent who lives with a child or children and no husband, wife or the partner. This family is known as single parent family. Then the third term we have is extended family. The extended family basically consists of several generations of the people and can include biological parents and their children, as well as in-laws, grandparents, aunties, uncles, and cousins. They are known as, if we combine them, all these partners or people from several generations, they are known as extended families. Then we have childless families. The absence of the children in an individual life or in a couple's life, like childless, is, as name suggests, that it can be considered as involuntarily when an individual is unable to have a children for medical reason, whether known or unexplained. Then the fifth one, we have step families, a family that consists of married couple and one of more children from a previous marriage or the relationships. They are known as our step families. Then we have basically grandparent family, a family with grandchildren and no parents present in the intervening generation. They are known as grandparent families.